about this is that, you know, so many times I feel like I go to the doctor and here's a prescription, try this, see if it works. If this doesn't work, we have another prescription that we can give you, you know. And so you do get to a point where you're looking for a natural remedy. And so knowing Kiyomi and the success of their family and Bill's health, yeah, I'm very interested in what you've done here and the business that you've created. And I've never been a huge tea drinker, but I'm excited to start. So
Okay, great.
yeah, and that's a great story. I love that.
All right, great.
Yeah.
Well, so we're gonna talk about all kinds of, and Jolene looked at our website and she came up with so many great questions.
Yes.
So we'll try to cover them all. That's gonna make a lot of episodes, but you know, would you mind, you know, telling us?
Oh, goodness. Yeah. Well, Kiyomi had given me some material on the product and some customer reviews. And so reading through them, I just had my own questions arise. So one of them was passion about the product. I think you've kind of answered that as to where the passion came from and how she got going and the purpose of all this. So thank you for the background on that.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Health benefits, she also touched on that a bit. The antioxidants and carcinogens.
Catechins. Catechins. Yeah, fixes carcinogens. Actually, you know, I have to talk about that later on. But you know, you can make green tea rub to prevent the carcinogens formation on grilled meat.
Oh.
Yeah. So,
oh, wow. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Well, and that goes into another thing. There's so many ways that you can use the green tea. Kiyomi actually came to the house one time and did a tea party.
Right.
And
it was fun.
Brought her matcha green teas and did different desserts and foods, and we got to taste it, drink it.
Yeah, we did kind of pairing, right?
Yeah, we did liquid with food. So there's lots of uses that you can do, and maybe you want to go into that at a later date.
Right.
But
yeah. Maybe we can invite some people and.
Yes, and it was traditional. She came in her kimono, and it was brought her daughter, and very, very nice ceremony. Customer service stood out when I was reading her customer reviews.
Great.
She had just the personal attention struck out to me. Sounds like you're available for questions anytime on how to utilize the teas, what goes into them, harvesting. I mean, I saw all kinds of things that you addressed in there. So.
Right. Yep.
Yeah.
So that's one of our mission. You know, we have to tell you. We are happy to teach you how to choose the best tea for your health needs, because you know not every green tea is the same, and you can learn about it, and then you'll be feeling good about it, you know, using that green tea, right, with the confidence. That is very important.
Well, so that was another question. You know, they referenced matcha. I don't know what matcha is, and I don't know what sencha powder.
Right, you got it, sencha powder. Yes,
Yeah.
thank you. Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
So we have to go through this one. You know, this is gonna make its own episode. I brief, but briefly, the difference between matcha and sencha powder are the amount of catechin antioxidants and also the caffeine. So if you are, you know, young people or very active and you'd like to fuel your energy level, you know, matcha is the good tea for you. Yeah, because of the high level of caffeine.
Okay.
But you know, the good thing about green tea caffeine is not like coffee caffeine. It doesn't give you the jira energy. Or rather than that, it's a sustainable, calm energy. And why? Because the camellia sinensis naturally provide the natural relaxant called L-theanine, and matcha has high caffeine level, but at the same time high L-theanine level also. So it's a good balance of the caffeine and L-theanine natural relaxant. So the consequence of the good balance is not really caffeine high and then energy drop.
Crash.
That's the coffee is bad side effect.
Yeah.
But when you're drinking matcha, the energy level sustains, and you feel good.
That's huge. I always get the coffee crash.
Oh no!
You have it in the morning, you're go, and then, okay, I'm ready for a nap.
Right.
That
And then
shouldn't happen.
And then you need more, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And then
Give me another cup.
Yeah, and then in the afternoon, somehow very tense. And why? Oh, maybe I drank
Too much.
Yeah.
You can start getting the jitters. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So the matcha basically gives you that energy feel.
Yeah.
Without drinking all day.
Exactly. So matcha is a great replacement for the coffee, and on the other hand, sencha powder is higher in catechin antioxidants and very low in caffeine. So that means, if you're thinking about, I love to have all different types of antioxidants, but if in order to get the catechins, I have to consume caffeine too. If you're worrying about it, sencha powder is the best option for you. Especially, we offer actually water processed decaffeinated sencha powder too, which offers almost zero caffeine. So, but on the other hand, catechin level is about the same as the regular one. So, if you are kind of avoiding green tea just because with caffeine, don't give up on the catechin. Great source of the catechin antioxidants, because there is an option, which is the sencha powder.
Okay. All right. And so another question was, what's the difference between tea in Japan and tea in America?